If you're running an e-commerce brand in 2025, your Instagram bio isn't just an intro, it's a conversion tool. Let's start with the bold first line that explains what you sell or solve. Something like luxury skincare for sensitive skin or tech gadgets that make life easier. So right below that, add a short benefit or unique selling point. Why should someone really care about that product? Like, just keep it clear and not clever. Then use a single emoji or symbol to point to your link. The link should lead to either your best-selling product or a landing page or a Linktree with clear CTAs. No clutter, really no confusion. Also, don't forget to switch to a business account so you can track profile visits and link clicks, and make sure your profile picture and username match your brand cleanly. If this helped, well, you tighten up your bio, give it a like, then hit subscribe. Want me to reveal real bios or give a template? Just drop a comment. I'll do it in the next video. And if you even got any questions, doubts, or anything like that, just drop a comment else again, and I'll go ahead and make a video related to those topics as well. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video. You guys go take care of yourself.